Human beings try to find all the time so many ways to develop themselves. My disciples here. My disciples try to experience all the time, developing themselves. It is beautiful for them to experience so. As for you to experience your development intellectually, first, I'd like you to understand the importance of observation. The point is how you observe, then what you observe. What is the thing you need to observe? Would you like to observe other people or this society? What I'm talking about is I'd like you to observe yourself carefully. To realize objectivity of observation is not that easy. I'd like you to observe yourself quite much objectively. Do you really know your truth? Do you observe yourself as you are, or you cannot erase your private way to justify yourself? Do not justify yourself. It cannot be. Objective observation. You need to renounce yourself. You need to renounce your self-centered ego. Through the realization of renouncement of your self-centered ego and indulgence, then you're entitled to experience objective observation. Even when you understand who you are, what you possess, this can be your first stage for you to do something necessary and valuably. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. Even when you have one bird, I think it is enough. Do not be dominated by two birds in the bush over there. There is no meaning. The most important thing, as for you to think of, shall be, you surely have one bird in your hand. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. I hope you do not hesitate to tread a thorny path. To live in bitterness is necessary for you to wake up and go forth, essentially. The most important experience is you live well based upon experiencing of trials and tribulations. As a matter of larger karate, I tell, there is no Lucas A. non-Lucendo. The lecture shall be finished now.